So people want to talk about reparations, but they don't really want to talk about reparations, or rather, they don't want to talk about math, because it's not about the payout; it's about the breakdown. It's kind of like a class action lawsuit. You know what I'm saying? You sue for $1 million. You know what I mean? If it's 50 people, obviously everybody's not going to get $1 million. So, what am I saying? I'm saying that they could give black people $100 billion. The breakdown on $100 billion would be like $6,000 per person. Is $6,000 worth the lives of your ancestors? Is $6,000 going to repair chattel slavery and institutional racism?
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Emancipation Proclamation. So emancipate means to transfer ownership. Proclamation is basically an announcement. So Emancipation Proclamation is an announcement of transfer of ownership. You know what I'm saying? So you went from chattel slavery to economic debt slavery.
You win. Perfect.
It's not cool to get robbed for your chain and buy it back, but you want to pay out for chattel slavery. Let that marinate.
How you gonna be had a made hamburger with lettuce and tomatoes on the side? Still got the white name. Claim that you ready for reparations. Reparations.
Teach.
Hear me, dear brothers and sisters.
That's right.
Reparations to repair the damage.
That's right.
It's hard to get millions and billions and trillions of dollars from the world's most notorious rogue and liar and thief. But victory is certain. It's easy for you to change your name.
That's right.
Changing your name is within your grasp.
That's right.
That's part of the reparation. That's part of the healing.
Right.
You can't heal if you're still under the man's name.
That's right.
You gotta put that behind you.
Yeah.
That's right.
Is that right?
Yes,
That's right.
His name, his language, his religion, his culture, his God, his folkways, his mores, his norms, his holidays. And you still want to march on the white man. Beg the white man. No, brothers and sisters, another time we will go after some of these points, but just touching them as we go. It's interesting that we're here at the Civil War Memorial and to a great degree museum, and it is a part of the Masonic Temple. Because the Masons, the Shriners, the Eastern Star, the Heroines of Jericho, the Daughters of the Amaranth, in their secret society, they talk about a man named Hiram. That's you, black man. That's you, black woman. In secret, behind closed doors, they talk about a man named Hiram Abiff, who was hit in the head at the East Gate, which is Africa. What's the East Gate? Africa. Carried on a westernly course. Buried in the north corner or the northwest corner where there is no light. Buried under an rubbish heap. And this man, Hiram Abiff, is called a master builder. He's a master mason. He's a master mason. That's you, black man and woman. You're the master mason of 196,940,000 square miles of the planet Earth. You're the master mason of 76 quintillion miles throughout the distance of the diameter of the universe. You, black man and you, black woman, you are the master builder. You built the pyramids geographically in the very center of the earth, and the white man with all of his architectural knowledge and genius and school is still calling it one of the wonders of the world, which means this cracker is still wondering